Hi, this is Denise, Queen of the Kitchen. Today, I'm trying a chicken and dressing recipe. It serves it's 7 smart points for 1 cup. It is 2 10.5 ounce, 98% fat-free cream of chicken soup, a box of stovetop, 2 cups of low sodium broth, 2 pounds of chicken, half an onion, and 2 celery stalks chopped. And what you do is, in this bowl, I've already got the onion, celery, stovetop, and the 2 cans of 98% fat-free cream of chicken. You mix that together. Then over here in my crock pot, I have my 2 pounds of chicken. And it calls for 2 cups of broth. So put that over there. And I'll be right back. Okay. Adding the rest of my broth. And this is the HEB fat-free. Okay. Now I'm going to come back over here and bring this. And it's hard to do this with one hand and hold the phone. But I love chicken and dressing, so that mixed up. Okay, now I'm going to put this over the top. And then I'll show you what it looks like. Try to get it on there. Okay. It says to press it down in the pot, like so. And it says to press it down and let the broth kind of come over the top of the stuffing mixture. Okay. All right. Now, put the top on. And I'm going to turn this on low. See, there it is in the crock pot. And it says to cook it on low for 7 hours. So that's what I'm going to do, and hopefully it will be delicious. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Remember, like, comment, or subscribe.